Hello and welcome back to Initial Solution. In this video, I will show you how to delete a Skype message. Let's have a look now. To delete messages on a Skype, start by opening the Skype application. Navigate to the chat where the message you want to delete is located. To delete a single message, right-click on the message you want to remove. In the context menu that appears, select Remove Message. Confirm the deletion and the message will be deleted from the chat. If you want to delete an entire chat, right-click on the chat in the left sidebar, select Delete Conversation and confirm the action. This will remove the entire chat history. So that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.